Hello and welcome to Vibe Design. I'm Royi Benyossef and I'll take you on my journey to learn the new tools of vibe coding and vibe design and to build a website for my fictitious VC fund. It's going to be fun, I promise. This segment is part of the Anima series. As a reminder, Anima allows you to import design from Figma and then edit it with vibe coding. Let's do some heavy editing. Let's go to where the team should be right here. Right now, these are real stories, but I'm placing in the text instructions. One, where it says real stories from satisfied customers, change it to something. Remove two cards and keep one and put my name on it. Royi Benyossef, put it as partner, and take the text from my LinkedIn description. Also remove the stars. Let's see how it works. Look at that. It changed everything. It left one card and it took from my LinkedIn. It's not actually written there. It's all true. Now let's try something. I'll upload a profile picture and say, host this as Royi profile picture good looking. Ah, look at that. Even though I didn't tell him where to put it, he knew exactly where I am from context. The image is a little bit misshapen, but we'll fix it next. I got a question about adding a brand new page and not just scrolling down. So you see that there's a button here for Figma. And then if you take a design and you paste the Figma link here, then it asks you, how would you like to get to this screen? So I'm asking by clicking on the tab button labeled portfolio on top. Might be a little too specific. Let's see how it goes. So it will take a little bit because it needs to import and build a brand new layout and then add the action to it. Let's see how it goes. Now let's try. Portfolio opens a brand new page. See? It worked. Another episode is over, and I hope this was an interesting one to you as well. We added content straight from LinkedIn without us having to write anything. We added a brand new page, and we had fun, or at least I did. I'm Royi Benyossef, and this is Vibe Design. Hope to see you next time.